I think you have a happy virus.
Yeah.
Jalan, Jesse. Hi guys! I moved to a new place yesterday and I organized my stuff. I need something for living. I will go to IKEA, Malaysia, which is located in Cheras. Guys, let's go. Hello. I'm waiting for my Grab and he will get here around in 3-4 minutes. Hello. Oh, today sunlight is very strong. Oh yeah, all people in Malaysia are smiling. When I go to the restaurant or cafe, when I say hello, they always smile and say hello back to me. Yeah, it's very good.
The Malaysian is okay here, the
Yeah.
friendly.
People are so lovely here. I think you have a happy virus. Yeah. I have a happy virus too, and you too.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Have a good day.
Bye bye.
Oh. Who has happy virus? So let's go. So guys, we arrived at IKEA Cheras branch, and I think this is the main entrance to enter the IKEA, and we can look around and see a lot of things. Ring, 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 ring. And we can get outside from that gate, if I'm right. 방 어때? 마음에 들어? 오! I think every room has their own concept. So in this place, I can see a lot of sofas and couches. Welcome to my hand factory. You can cook with this, but also you can use it as a weapon. You are cooking, and there was a robbery. It's so cute. What's this? Sometimes if you feel lonely, you can handshake with this one. It can make you feel better. Not me. 아 이거 자꾸 눈이 가네. Why is this panda everywhere? Why are you everywhere? This is a ruler, paper ruler. So you can use the pencil right here with this ruler. You can check how long it is for every furniture and every stuff. Jalan, Jesse. Oh. Hi, bro. 귀엽다. Lion. $39.9 ringgit, so it's like 40? 12,000 won is something. I was thinking like this, something like that. Maybe I can call it total, but it's not close to it. 59.9 ringgit. So it's like 17,000 won is not pretty much. It's pretty reasonable.
지구야, 지구.
이게 귀여워? Guys, did I say that I'm a professional for darts? I'm gonna show you how good am I. How good I am. She's crazy. 제일 좋다. 나 살까 이거? And I think this is kind of dried flowers and fruits for fragrance in the room. And it's like 5 ringgit. So it's 1,300원. And there is a restaurant and cafe inside of IKEA, but of course we cannot go inside and eat something because it's under MCO. So let's go downstairs. Guys, I need a chopping board, and can I share which one is good for me? 25링깃? 25링깃이면 한 7,000원? 괜찮은데?
너 다른 거 또 한 번. 친구 생겼다.
Oh, how do you know this one?
Huh?
How do you know this one?
I also watched before.
Oh, really? Oh, thank you.
You want to try these?
What is this?
You want to try?
Yeah, sure.
Try it, yeah.
This place is very huge and big, and a lot of things are, DIY things for making furniture, such as desk hangers.
이거 주고 싶어. 뭔데? 이렇게 저렇게 갖다 해줘. 봐봐.
Okay, right here in Bistro, I can see frozen yogurt, banana roll custard, hot dogs, chicken cheese ball, curry puff. So let's try it.
근데 맛있겠다 이거.
바나나를 튀겼나? 옷을 입혀서 같이 튀긴 건 같은데?
피상이 바나나란 뜻이야. 피상이.
피상?
Jalan, Jesse.
I bought banana roll custard, and this is frozen yogurt. Oh, set up. Today I tried a banana roll custard and frozen yogurt, and both of they are so amazing with a lot of sweetness, but it's not too much and very fresh flavor. Eating cooked banana was my first time. I thought it could be a little bit weird, but it was very good, and hope you guys try someday. Today I traveled IKEA in Cheras, KL. It is full with a lot of interesting and lovely things, so you guys can come here and experience like I did. You really have to try some snacks in Bistro IKEA, like banana roll custard and frozen yogurt. They're so good, it's so amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed my video today, and see you in the next one. Bye bye. Hey, bye bye. I think you have a happy virus.
Yeah.